I've decided that I'm going to, well, here. I'm going to show you a couple things that are going to be part of my costume. And I want you to guess, starting off with a bald cap now. This could be many things, right? But then I'm going to throw in a cross, okay? And then just like copious amount of airbrush legs tanner. We're just gonna have like a couple hours to do this. I've never applied a bald cap and never on myself either. So we'll see how it goes. I tried one last night and I tried to record it. It didn't work out. That's a good look though. Dang it. Yeah, I bought a bald cap, like hat, instead of like a bald cap that you like fit over your head and like glue down. So that didn't work, obviously. Let's see how this one looks. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, we're just gonna. No? Okay. Any guesses? Supply list. I have latex. Do I need flesh latex? Because I've got both. There we are. Castor sealer. There's one hair out of it. Siri, define castor sealer. Is it like castor oil? It's just oil. So they're selling this stuff when it's really just castor oil. Let's see. Castor oil. You can get 4 ounces for $4. Let's see what Ben Nye castor. 1 ounce is $7? That is highway robbery. Is it not? How dare they? Ben Nye. I do not stand Ben Nye. I'm thinking that I should start right now and just like be in it for a while. Like, because that wouldn't be the worst thing in the world, but the worst thing in the world would be to not get it done in time. Okay, first step is probably to just take off my makeup, right? Whatever. I guess I don't care. Whoops. Hello. What the heck is up? I have to like get my outfit planned out too, though. I don't have a beauty mark. This is just it today that I turned into a beauty mark. Those tricky girls always take him swimming on the first date, you know? I have to like spray my whole body in self-tanner. But like not the real kind. Just airbrush legs. I guess I shouldn't wear this shirt. This one will do, you know, because it's good enough. Oh. Oh, God. Oh. What am I gonna do about my nails? I guess he's just gonna have some nails. So why is this like uber small? I don't even have a big head. Let's just cover up my ears, right? We're just gonna go for it. Yeah.
You've got a little bit of.
Do you want to lift it off? So what you're about to see is my mom just like ripping all of the baby hairs out from the back of my neck, and then me just like overreacting about it. Oh, shh.
Gotta go fast. Okay, ready?
That's so
Okay,
painful.
Put your head up. Put your head up.
I've never felt such pain in my life. Ow. I'm not taking it off again, so that's just how it's gonna be.
I'm
Ow!
putting it down.
Ow!
I'm putting it down.
Ow.
Are you sure you don't want me to put it tighter?
No, it's fine.
Okay.
I don't want it to be tighter. Don't get it close to my hair, though.
I'm trying not to.
Okay. She did, in fact, get it too close to my hair.
Do you have resin to take it off?
I have remover.
Okay. Oh, here, little next red.
Yeah, because that hurt. That was pain unlike anything else I've ever felt. Why are you going on the back of my neck again?
I didn't want to go too close to your hair, though.
It's like giving me a facelift. I'm enjoying it. So, bald cap is on. Now I have to paint.
Here, I need to...
So, I'm bald. And I kind of just want to be bald. Like, I kind of just want to shave my head. Like, this is making me want to shave my head. Now I gotta know what I look like. Alright, this is last call for any guesses. As Vin Diesel. You know? Like, you just gotta. Here we are. I'm wondering if I need to cover up my brows. I mean, we're all human, so, like, I'm basically the same person as Vin Diesel. So his eyes go down. Down. And his eyebrows are more round. Oh, I'm gonna have to cover my eyebrows, huh? Oh, this is the worst news. This takes so long. So I kind of want to do a time lapse of this so that you guys can kind of see the process. This is it. Okay. Actually, this ain't it, Chief. Yeah, so I started recording a time lapse of me putting like his features on, but then I think my friend ended up calling me halfway in between it, so I didn't want to start another one. So this is all that it is. So this is my progress thus far. It's not necessarily going well, but it is going. I'm just gonna like contour some muscles. Just really badly. I don't know, a shoulder. What else do muscles look like? I don't know what muscles look like. Who am I? Oh, this thing? I don't know. Sure. Weird flex, but okay. Looking great. Looking great. Looking great. Great. Okay, now I just need like a wardrobe, and I'm not sure. A jacket of sorts? I don't know. Alright, so as far as the wardrobe goes, I settled on a classic white tank because that's very Vin, is it not? I also had to wear a big black coat just to cover up my girlish figure. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you guys love Vin as much as I do.